Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay payment or Alipay transfer. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see right here, want me to fund their Alipay, and this is their payment right here. And I decided to make a video, and this is their payment right here, just like what you see right here, and this is the Alipay transfer code right here. However, this person here need the Alipay amount of 30,000 naira in Alipay. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to send payment using Alipay code or how to transfer payment using Alipay code. First thing first, I'm going to access from my WhatsApp right here, and then I'll go ahead and bring out my calculator right here. So I'm going to click on here to open my calculator, and then this person sent in 30,000 naira, and then divided by the current exchange time of making this video. So this is the exchange rate, which simply means that this person is getting 139.86 yuan. So that is the amount this person is getting in equivalent of 30,000 naira. So let's go ahead and see how we can send this payment in Alipay. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do now is to access from my calculator right here. I'll go ahead and open up my Alipay right here. I've opened up my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then upload the Alipay payment code. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on scan right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and make sure I click on album. Then I'm going to go ahead and select the Alipay code. I'm going to go ahead and click on done. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter the amount to transfer, so which is 139.86. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on pay. Then enter my payment password to complete the transaction. Now payment done successfully. Lastly, I will go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. I will make a screenshot of the proof of payment. I will have to go back to my WhatsApp right here and then send the proof of payment back to the person right here. I'm going to click on attach, then click on gallery, then select proof of payment and say transfer done. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to send payment to you on your Alipay, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to buy your products, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.